Hi guys, this is my last message of the semester, or last video of the semester, because you'll see many more messages until the last day of class. I wanted to send out just a quick message, and this message is for both my English 111 and my English 112 students about the optional revision, okay? I want to make sure that it's clear. The optional revision, okay, is for a paper that you already completed that you got feedback from with a rubric, okay? So that means if you submitted a paper, but you submitted it incorrectly and you got a 0 because maybe you submitted it as a PDF or as pages or any other type of source that I wasn't able to read or check formatting and you got a 0, that means I wasn't able to give you any feedback, right? With an optional revision, it's about revising. So you're revising based on the feedback that you got from each of the sections to fix your paper. Okay. With that said, if you did not get a rubric, to tell you, okay, these are the things that you need to work on. This is what you need to fix with your paper. You cannot submit that assignment. Okay. The other thing is make sure, and obviously because I'm shooting this for both English 111 and 112, I won't go over obviously specific assignments. Make sure you read the information in week 16 about the optional revision. You can also read the announcements because it does cover it too a little bit. But go into week 16 and look at the assignments that it says you're allowed to submit. Okay, it's only the major papers. Okay, so hopefully that clears things up. You cannot submit your final presentation twice, obviously, and that's one of the reasons why that it does take me a couple of days to grade the final presentations, because obviously for 112 there are videos, and we have to kind of go through that, and then of course, obviously even with 111, still trying to go through and make sure that all of the different elements are there. Okay, so it will take me a few days to kind of weave through and get all of this uploaded, so your patience is appreciated. But as for the optional revision, just know it's major papers only, and there should be a list of which papers are allowed. If for some reason you are confused about okay, is this paper approved, send me an email. If all else fails, always send an email and ask a question. I'm trying my best to email back as fast as I can. I have my emails up probably like all across my screen, just so I can make sure that I'm answering, as fast as I can, because I know that there are always a lot of questions at the end of the semester. So, bear with me. Obviously, I'm answering as fast as I can, and I'm, obviously grading and trying to get things in as quickly as I can as well. But just note, for the optional revision, it is major papers only, and it must be, again, a paper that you actually got a rubric for that I gave you feedback on, because that's how we do revisions, right? So keep that in mind. If you have questions about this assignment, please don't hesitate to send me a message, let me know. But otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day. We are almost to the finish line, y'all. Almost to the finish line. So we're literally like, we can reach out, we can almost touch it. So we're almost there. So y'all just keep pushing and let's get done. Let's get it done. Have a great rest of your day.